Hi everybody, this is a replacement problem second one. The maintenance cost and resale value for year per year of a machine whose purchase price is rupees 7,000 is given below. Okay, so the year 1 to 8 is given and your operating cost is 900, 1200, 1600, 2100, 2800, 3700, 4700, 5900, and the resale value is given as first year is 4000, 2000, and the third year is 1200, 600, 500, 400, 400 and 400. Okay, so when should the machine be replaced? So this is the given question. So let us see the answer. So you have to write down what is given, the terminology have written here. Capital cost have denoted as S. Resale value, otherwise called scrap value, have denoted as S. Okay, so capital cost is C and resale value is S. And maintenance cost or operation cost have given as MC. Total cost we have to calculate TC, and average total cost we have to calculate ATC, and this is cumulative maintenance cost. Okay, CMC, cumulative maintenance cost. Okay, so have taken, so we have to determine our optimum replacement solution. So this is the table. Determination of optimal replacement period we are going to find out here. Okay, so what is given, no, that I have written here, year and maintenance cost, and this is a scrap value. Now we have to find out the cumulative maintenance cost. The first year the same value, second year you have to add with this period. Okay, 1000 maintenance cost, second year maintenance cost you have to add with first year maintenance cost. Okay, like this. So if you add, you will get 2100. Okay, then 2100 you have to add with 1600. So you will get 3700. Then like that you have to add. So now have done for other values. Okay, so like this you have to add cumulative values and scrap value which is given. Okay, so now you have to find out the cost minus scrap value. What is the cost? The cost of the machine is given is 7,000, isn't it? 7,000 rupees is given. So 7,000 minus 4,000. So I will get 3,000. Okay, so 7,000 minus 2,000, get 5,000. So like that you have to add. So now I found for other value. Okay, so 7,000 minus 2,000, 5,000, and 7,000 minus 1,200 is 5,800. Like that you have to find out for cost minus scrap value. Okay, and the total cost is, you have to add the scrap minus scrap value plus your cumulative frequency. So add the column 5 and plus column 3. So 5 plus 3. So if you add 3,000 plus 900, you will get 3,900. 5,000 plus 2,100, you will get 7,100. Okay. So similarly, you have to add the other values. So this and this I have done for other values. Okay. So you have to add your fifth column and your third column. Cost minus scrap value and the cumulative maintenance cost you have to add. Okay, so now we are going to find out ATC, the average total cost for each year. Okay, so the total cost is here, no? So for each year you have to add. First year, so if you take average 3,900 divided by your year, first year, so you will get 3,900, same value you will get. Okay, so to find out your ATC is, you have to divide 6 by 1. Okay, sixth column divided by first column. 7,100 divided by 2, you will get 3,550. Okay, 9,500 if you divided by 3, you will get 3166.67. Okay, next 12,200 if you divided by fourth year, so you will get average total cost is 3,050. Okay, the next one is 15,100 if you divided by fifth year, you will get 3020. Like that you can find out for other values. Okay, I have done for other values. Okay, so now you check average total cost 3900. Now then next value is decreasing, again it is decreasing, and 3050 again it decreasing, and where we are getting increase, here it is increasing. So the before value how to take this value. Okay, this value we have to take, because the 6th year it is increasing. Okay, this is 6th year, so 5th year you have to take. Okay, you write down the interpretation for the 6th year. Average total cost is greater than 5th year. 5th year average total cost, therefore fifth year is the optimum replacement period. Okay, so 5th year we can replace our machine. Okay, I hope you understand this problem. Thank you.